This video is going to be a review of the Urlitoy solar light. It's an LED outdoor light that runs off of sun power. So let me take it out of the box. It comes with screws and anchors, and it runs strictly off of solar power. So we have 6 LEDs on the side, 6 LEDs on the side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10 LEDs on the front. Looks like that is the motion detector. Here's the solar panel. We have what are the mounting screws? Okay, so that's 1 screw, 1 anchor for the mounting. Very simple. Will take you probably 2 minutes to install this. On the back we have a switch that says on, 1, 2, 3, off. So according to the instructions, we have 3 lighting modes: strong, long light mode, dim light mode, which is controlled by the sensor, strong light mode, which is controlled by the sensor, and then the off. So I'm going to press this right now. I just want to see what it looks like indoors. Whoa, that's bright. What I want to do is I want to turn off the lighting in this room so we can see what this looks like. Now the light that we see in the background, that's for my computer monitor. I'm not going to turn that off, but I just want to see how bright this is. Wow. Alright, so if this was hanging outside, this is not even charged up. I just took this out of the package. I'm assuming that's the dim one. Wow, that's really bright. I don't even know if you can tell by the video. And one of these is the long, and the other is the short. Okay, so it's controlled by motion. So what I want to do is I want to try to sit still here. So when the light detects motion, it will turn on and it will stay on for about 20 seconds. It has 364 lumens of light in the darkness. Detection range of the light is somewhere between 10 to 26 feet at an angle of 120 degrees. The unit needs about 6 to 8 hours of sunlight so that it is able to power up for about 10 hours at nighttime. It has a 2200 milliamp rechargeable battery. It is waterproof, heat-proof. It's made out of ABS plastic. It can handle water, rain, wind, sun. It's perfect for mounting on the outside of an RV, on your porch, in your backyard. Another idea, which is really not something a lot of people think about, with a light like this, you put it outside, you get some sunlight, charge this thing up, and then if you need to have light during a power failure, this is even better than a flashlight. You have emergency power available to you. So you just take it out and keep it charged up, and when the power goes out in your place, bring this indoors and you've got light for hours. All the lights are off now. I've got the lamp inside the box. I'm going to wait for the light to turn off after about 20 seconds of not using motion. Light is very dim now. I'm going to move my hand over towards the light. Motion detected. Look at that. That's awesome. Let's put it on the next mode. Put this back in the box and we'll see what this does. Lights are complete. Oh, God, look at this. This thing is so bright. You know, for 364 lumens of lighting power, woo, check that out. All right, so you can pick this up on Amazon. Again, mount it with the anchor and the screw over there. It's very small. It's very compact. It looks very nice, really sleek. And you get your switch on the back. Turn it off, and you don't have to spend money on electricity anymore when you need an emergency light outside. 270 degrees of lighting. That's impressive. That's a very wide angle of lighting. Company's name is Urlitoy, U-R-L-I-T-O-Y. Solar lighting for outdoors. It is a 22 LED unit with a water level certification of IP65, safe for water, rain, wind, sun. If you like my videos, please do a thumbs up, a subscribe, a like. If you want to donate to my channel, ask for my PayPal info. If there's a product you want me to review, if I can get a hold of it, I will do the review. Thanks for watching, everybody.